indices, when 4 multiplies with itself 5 times, we write as 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, and in compact form we write as 4, and on the superscript we write as 5. This is known as 4 raised to 5, where 4 is known as the base and 5 is known as the power or index. Similarly, if we multiply a with itself 3 times, we write it in compact form as this is a into a into a, and in compact form we write as a raised to the power 3. So this 3 is known as power or index, and here a is the base. Also we define rth root of a as this is r will put inside the root symbol. So we will be getting rth root of a equal to a raised to 1 by r, and here when there is no number inside this root symbol, that is actually square root. So square root of x is equal to x raised to 1 by 2, and when any number is there, suppose 3 is there, then you say when 3 is there, you say it as cubic root of x. When 4th is there, 4 is there, we'll say it as 4th root of x. When 10 is there, we'll say that it is the 10th root of x. So here 3 is there, so we'll say that this is the cubic root of x, or we write in index form as x raised to 1 by 3. And also it is to be noted that suppose we are having cubic root of x, it is not same as 3 into root x. When 3 is inside this root symbol, that is actually cubic root of x, and when it is outside this root symbol, it is 3 into root x. So they have different meaning. Why they are not the same? Let us check it out here. This is cubic root of x, and in index form it is x raised to 1 by 3. In the second one, that is on the right hand side, we are having 3 into root x, that can be written as 3 into x raised to 1 by 2, and you can see from 1 and 2 that they are not equal. Therefore cubic root of x is not the same as 3 into root x, so they are totally different thing. Now let us go in the rules of indices that we have learned in our lower classes also. So we'll go through the law of indices. The first one is a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. That is, when the base is same, then we can add the powers. So a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n, where m belongs to n. Similarly, a raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. That is when the base is same, but they are dividing. In that case, the powers will be subtracted, or the indices will be subtracted. So we can write it as a raised to m over a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Then third one, a raised to m whole raised to n, that can be written as a raised to mn, where mn are positive integers. Then we have this fourth part. The fourth part, ab whole raised to n equal to a raised to n b raised to n, where n can take all of the values. Then we are having here a raised to minus m, that can be written as 1 by a raised to m. Now sixth one, if a raised to x equal to a raised to y, that is there is an equation in which the bases are equal, then definitely the exponents will be also equal, or the indices will be also equal. So here we can see that if a raised to x, a raised to y, then x will be equal to y. Then seventh one, we are having if x raised to a equal to y raised to a, that is, if the indices are equal, then the bases will be also equal. So if x raised to a equal to y raised to a, then we get x equal to y. Now we'll be doing some questions based on indices, so that the concept will be more clear to us. Exercise 1. Let us do question number 1. So we'll be doing here question number 1. Solution of question number 1. Solution 1. So 4 into x raised to minus 1 by 4, and that is equal to 4 into x 1 by x raised to 1 by 4. Why? Because we know that a raised to minus 1 equal to 1 by 8. So we can write x raised to minus 1 by 4 as x raised to 1 by 4. So this will be 4 over x raised to 1 by 4. And therefore we can see that of all the correct options, C is our answer. So that is what we will be saying, that therefore correct option is C, that is 4 by x raised to 1 by 4. So this is the answer of question number 1. Now let us do the second one, question number 2. So how we can do question number 2? Question number 2 now. The value of 8 raised to 1 by 3 is. So we have to find the value of 8 raised to 1 by 3 is. So what we'll do in this case, we'll do the prime factorization of 8, and when we do the prime factorization of 8, it will become 2 into 2 into 2. So we can write 8 as 2 cube. So 8 raised to 1 by 3 can be written as 2 cube raised to 1 by 3, and we know that we have a raised to m raised to n equal to a raised to mn. So this will give us equal to, this 3 and 3 can be cancelled out. 3 and 3 can be cancelled out, and what will be our answer? Our answer will be, so we'll get the answer as 2. So 8th power with 8th with the index as 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So our correct answer in this case will be option number C. So again here also we are getting the correct option, therefore correct option is equal to, correct option is C. Exercise 1, question number 6. The value of 2 into 256 raised to minus 1 by 8 is. So let us solve this one. Solving question number 6. So solution 6. 2 into 256 raised to minus 1 by 8. So equal to 2 into, now if you do the prime factorization of 256, you will get 2 raised to 8. So 2 raised to 8 raised to minus 1 by 8. And we know that the formula of a raised to m raised to n is a raised to mn. So equal to 2 into, so both this 8 and this 8 will be cancelled out, we will get 2 into 2 raised to minus 1, and this will give us equal to 2 into 1 by 2, and that is 1. So the correct option for this is A. Therefore correct option is A, that is 1. So this is the answer of question number 6. Now let us do question number 9. X raised to the power of a minus b into x raised to the power of b minus c into x raised to the power of c minus a is equal to. So solving question number 9. Solution 9. X raised to the power of a minus b into x raised to the power of b minus c into x raised to the power of c minus a. So here x is the base, a minus b is the index. Here x is the base, b minus c is the index. Here x is the base and c minus a is the index. So now we know that whenever the base is same, we can add the powers or the indices. So this can be written as equal to x, because base is same. Now we'll add the power. So a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. And it can be clearly seen that minus b plus b will cancel each other, a and minus a will cancel, minus c plus c will be cancelling each other, and so what we are getting is equal to x raised to 0, and we know that any number raised to 0 is 1. So this is equal to 1. So therefore we can say that out of all these the correct option is B. Therefore correct option is B. So this is the answer of question number 9. Now let us do question number 12. Which of the following is true? So let us we'll be solving now question number 12, solution 12. We'll see option by option which one of them is correct. First one, option A, that is 2 raised to 0 is greater than 1 by 2 raised to 0. We know that any number raised to 0 is 1. So this can be converted into 1 is greater than 1, because 2 raised to 0 will be 1 and half will raised to the power of 0 will be also 1. So half is greater than 1, which is incorrect. Which is incorrect. Now next one, B part, option B, let us check it out. 2 raised to 0 is less than half raised to 0. Here also 2 raised to 0, because we know that any number raised to 0, here a raised to 0 is always 1. So this will become 1 is less than half raised to 0, that is again 1. So which is false, which is incorrect. Now let us go in option number 3. So that is 2 raised to 0 equal to half raised to 0. So 2 raised to 0 is 1 equal to 1, which is correct. Which is correct. Therefore, the correct option is the correct option of all the three, that is A of all the four, A, B, C and D, is C. The correct option is C. So this is the answer of question number 12th one. Question number 17. The value of 8 by 27 raised to minus 1 by 3 into 32 raised to 32 by 243 raised to minus 1 by 5 is. Let us solve question number 17. So solution 17. 8 by 27 raised to the power of minus 1 by 3 into 32 by 243 raised to the power of minus 1 by 5 equal to. Now if you do the prime factorization of 8, we will be getting 2 cube, and the prime factorization of 27 will give us 3 cube. So this will become 2 by 3 whole cube, and outside the power is minus 1 by 3 multiplied by. Now if you multiply, if you do the prime factorization of 32, we will get 2 raised to 5, and this 243 3 raised to 4 is 3 raised to 4, you see that is 81, and 3 raised to 5 will give you 81 into 3, that is 243. So this can be written as 3 raised to 5. So together we can write it as 2 by 3 raised to 5, and outside the power is minus 1 by 5. Now we know that a raised to m, here I will write down that we are having a raised to m raised to n equal to a raised to mn. So therefore what we will have, we can applying this formula, we can write it here equal to this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled out. So we will be getting 2 by 3 raised to minus 1 into 2 by 3, here also 5 and 5 will be cancelled out, and we will be getting minus 1. So this will be equal to, and also we know that a raised to minus 1 is 1 by a. So this will become 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Why? Because a raised to minus 1 equal to 1 by a. So provided that a should not be 0, so here it is not 0. So now simplifying this, we will be getting equal to 9 by 4. So let us see if any option is here 9 by 4. So we can see that option number A is the correct answer. So therefore the correct option is, correct option is A, that is 9 by 4. So with this, question number 17 is complete. Exercise 1, question number 18. The value of x plus y raised to 2 by 3 into x minus y raised to 3 by 2 divided by root of x plus y into root of x minus y cube and the whole raised to 6 is. So let us solve 18th one, question number 18. So solution 18, x plus y raised to the power of 2 by 3 into x minus y raised to the power of 3 by 2 whole divided by root of x plus y into this is root of x minus y, actually it is the cube, root of x minus y cube, and whole raised to the power 6. So we have to find the value of this one, equal to, this can be written as numerator will write for time being as it is, x plus y raised to 2 by 3 into x minus y raised to 3 by 2 whole divided by, this can be written as x plus y raised to 1 by 2 and into x minus y, this is also 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 3, that will become x minus y raised to 3 by 2, and we have here raised to the power 6. So these two will be cancelled out because they are both the same quantities, and we also know that a raised to m over a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So this can be written as equal to x plus y raised to 2 by 3 2 by 3 minus half whole raised to the power 6, and this will give us equal to, here the property which you have applied is because a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So this is the rule which you have applied here. Now equal to x plus y raised to, this will become 4 minus 3 by 6, and overall power we are having 6. So equal to x plus y, 4 minus 3 is 1 by 6 and raised to the power 6. So this 6 and 6 will cancel each other and we will be getting equal to x plus y. So let us see if any option is there here like x plus y. So C is the correct option. Therefore correct option is C. So with this our question number 18 is complete. Exercise 1, question number 19. Simplified value of 125 raised to 2 by 3 into square root of 25 into, is actually cubic root of 5 cube into 5 raised to 1 by 2 is. So we'll simplify, we'll be solving question number 19. So solution 19 now. 125 raised to 2 by 3 into root 25 into cubic root of 5, and cubic root of, actually it is 5 cube. So this 5 cube into 5 raised to 1 by 2. So this can be written as equal to the prime factors of 125, that will become 5 cube. 5 cube, and we have over that power 2 by 3, so 5 cube into 2 by 3, and root 25 is 20, that is 5 square, and if you put the power here it will become 1 by 2 into, this is 5 cube raised to the power of 1 by 3 into 5 raised to 1 by 2. So here 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. Similarly here 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. Here also 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. So what we are going to get is here, this is 5 square into 5 raised to 1, that is 5. This is also 5 into 5 raised to 1 by 2. So this will become, 25 into 25 is 625 into root 5. So we'll be getting here actually 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 1 by 2, or equal to 5 raised to 9 by 2. So we can see that there is no option like this here. So our correct option in this case will be D. So therefore correct option is D. That is none of these. So with this, question number 19 is complete. Exercise 1, question number 20. So we'll solving question number 20 now. So solution 20. 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 4 raised to the power of 3 by 4 into 8 raised to the power of 5 by 6 into 16 raised to the power of 7 by 8 into 32 raised to the power of 9 by 10 raised to the power of 4, and this again raised to the power of 3 by 25. So we have to simplify this. First we will be simplifying the bracket which is the most in the interior one. So equal to, outside bracket will keep as it is. So 2 raised to 1 by 2 into, we'll write all this in the simplest form. So 4 can be written as 2 square. So we will be getting here 2 square into 3 by 4, and 8 can be written as 2 cube. So we will be getting into 2 cube 2 raised to 3 into 5 by 6, because we know that a raised to m raised to n is a raised to mn, into 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 into 7 by 8, and into 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5 into, this will become 9 by 10, and here we have 4, and then with the power as 3 by 25. So closing the bracket here and putting the most outside index is 3 by 25. Now we'll simplify this also further one by one. So equal to, this will become, first will remain as it is, 2 raised to 1 by 2 into, here we can cancel this 2, will cancel this 4, and we'll be getting here 2. So 2 into 2 raised to 3 by 2 into, here also this 3 will cancel this 6, and we'll be getting 2. So 2 raised to 5 by 2 into 4 will cancel 8, we will get here 2. So into 2 raised to 7 by 2 into, same case will be here, this 5 will cancel this 10, and we will get here 2. So into 2 raised to 9 by 2, and closing this bracket, curly bracket, the power here is 4, and overall outside power is 3 by 25. This 3 by 25, not 3. Here we can see it's 3 by 25. So 3 by 25. So equal to, now inside the bracket, inside the curly bracket, we can see that in all these numbers the base is same. So we can add the power. So equal to 2, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 9 by 2, and this curly bracket will be closed, and outside power is 4, and then this we are having square bracket, and 3 by 25 is the power there. So equal to, so now we can add all of them. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. So we are getting 2 raised to the power of 25 by 2, then curly bracket is there, and we have the power 4, and square bracket 3 by 25. So equal to, this 2, and we can cancel this. We can just, you know that whenever a raised to m raised to n is a raised to mn. So this can be written as 2 raised to 25 by 2 into 4 into 3 by 25. So we can cancel this 25 and this 25. Also this 2 will cancel this 4. So we'll be getting here 2. And overall we are getting equal to 2 raised to 6. There is 2 will multiply 6 times. If you multiply 2 5 times, 32. So 32 into 2 is 64. 2 raised to 6 is 64. So the correct answer of this is 64. Let us see when 64 is there. Fraction is there, integer is there, 1 is there, none of these there. And what is 64? 64 is an integer. Our correct option is B in this case. Therefore, correct option is B. That is an integer. So this is answer of question number 20. Question number 23. If a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, then simplify x raised to l over x raised to m whole raised to the power of l square plus lm plus m square into x raised to m over x raised to n whole to the power of m square plus mn plus n square into x raised to n over x raised to l whole raised to the power of l square plus ln plus l square. So solving question number 23 now. Solution 23. X raised to L over x raised to m raised to the power of L square plus Lm plus m square, then multiplied by x raised to m over x raised to n whole raised to the power of m square plus mn plus n square, then multiplied by x raised to n over x raised to L whole raised to the power of L square plus NL plus n square. So here this correction is to be done. In the question they have wrongly written this should be either if this is L square, this should be n square. If this is n square, this should be L square. So one of these L, both cannot be L. One of them has to be L, one has to be n. So do the correction there. You can write this one as, this can be written as plus n square. So doing the correction here, this will become L square plus NL plus n square. So this is the correction in this question. So equal to, now we know that a raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So this can be written as x raised to L minus m multiplied by L square plus Lm plus m square into x raised to, same we can apply here, m raised to x raised to the power of m minus n into m square plus mn plus n square multiplied by x raised to the power of n minus l into n square plus nl plus l square. Now already the formula is given to us. Also we know that a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this can be in compact form, this can be written as equal to x raised to l cube minus m cube multiplied by, this can be written as x raised to m cube minus n cube into x raised to n cube minus l cube equal to, now here we can see that the base is same, so the powers can be added. So we will be getting equal to x raised to l cube minus m cube minus this plus m cube minus n cube plus n cube minus l cube. So L cube and minus L cube will be cancelling each other. We will minus n cube plus m cube minus n cube plus n cube. So equal to x raised to 0. And any number raised to 0 is 1. So in this case our correct option is B. So B is here. The correct option is B. Therefore, correct option is B. So this is answer of question number 23.